Alright, this is what we're working on today. I got all these marker lights in, all down the side of the bus. Okay. There's my shore power. I even found these replacements, these original equipment replacements that are LED. I got another one to put up right there. That's my stop sign. And then one up there. But I'm going to wire all these up today. There's all the lights. There's all the lights poking through the holes. You can see this one here was on a beam, so I had to drill in. So I'll drill the sides and then pull it through the side. And I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm poking these holes so I can run the wires through here and hook them up. Because there's going to be plywood against this, and I don't want to pinch the wires. And also, it's going to be my 110 volt hole. I'm going to run my 110 volt, put in a couple of outlets, and what I'll do is like if I come in here, I'll drill through this here, put the outlets up high. That way, when I build, I don't cover them up with anything. And then my shore power will run from there through there. I'll have my electrical box, which is that thing there. All that electrical is going to be in this area right here. For the simple reason, the batteries are right there. There's my IntelliCharger, which is plugged up. Keeps my batteries charged up, supplies the 12 volts. Supplies it blinking because the batteries are in slow charge. Blink again, there it goes. And that supplies all the 12 volts for the motorhome. So I'm running my generator, and I got that plugged up. It'll actually be the 12 volts that runs all the lights. If my generator's running, it'll run all the lights, all the 12 volt accessories in the bus. That's what that does. And this is my wire, which is for used to be for all the marker lights before, and that's what it's going to be for now. You pull a switch and every marker light on this truck will power up. I've got the 5 across the top of the roof, little marker lights, and then 5 cab lights up on the roof, the Kenworth LED cab lights. And then I'm going to put 5 more in the back where you see them 3 black spots. And then we'll show you the progress. Alright. There's all them lights. I still got a couple of yellow ones to put up front. These lights, I'm getting there. You can count them lights down the side. There's a damn bunch of them. Tomorrow, we'll do these. Here's my bus all lit up. All of them blink in the front. Got all of those up top. All of these down the side. I got more to put on it. There's 75 lights between the both sides. I got to put lights across the top yet. And bright lights are the license plate lights. They blind out everything. There's what's left of the tree. They killed it.